Hi, my name is Natasha and I'm a Ph.D. student at the University of Tasmania where I research soil carbon dynamics in the organic soils of the Central Highlands. Now, it may not be evident to the naked eye, but these soils store huge amounts of carbon. Carbon comes mainly from the breakdown of organic matter, but the cold and wet environment of the Highlands slows this process right down so that carbon accumulates in the soil. However, their ability to remain carbon sinks is at risk due to climate change. With rising temperatures and shifting rainfall patterns, we need to determine how best to manage these soils in order to conserve the unique highland ecosystems they support. So this part of my research is therefore focused on investigating how temperature and soil moisture changes impact carbon storage. So we've set up a long-term warming experiment where we use open-top chambers to passively warm the air and the soil. Each month in the past year, I have measured the CO2 release from the ecosystem using a portable infrared gas analyzer. The most exciting part of my work is that I don't just take measurements from the surface, but also a 10 centimeter depth under the root mat to examine how the deeper carbon stores might respond to warming. So far, my measurements have showed me that warming consistently increased CO2 release from the soil. This suggests that as temperatures rise, these highly organic soils persist from storing carbon to releasing it, and thereby adding to the greenhouse gas levels. This grant would give me the chance to attend the EUROSOIL conference and share my findings with leading experts in the field. As a young scientist myself, communicating science effectively is one of the most important skills. However, it's one we don't get many opportunities to develop. And taking part in the conference provides an ideal setting to develop these skills and assist me in growing as a scientist. Thank you.